Are you ready to master cybersecurity, working, and IT certifications? Welcome to Hackalys Academy, where learning meets hands-on experience and success is just a course away. So, what is Hackalys Academy? Hackalys Academy is an online learning academy designed to help students, engineers, and IT professionals achieve globally recognized certifications in cybersecurity, networking, cloud security, and programming. Our mission is to bridge the gap between theory and hands-on practice, ensuring that you don't just pass exams, but truly understand the concepts, apply them in real-world situations, and advance in your IT career. We offer expert training for some of the most in-demand IT and cybersecurity certifications, including CompTIA, covering A+, Network+, Security+, Linux+, CySA+, and PenTest+, as a strong foundation for IT and cybersecurity professionals. EC Council, offering certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker (CH) and Certified Network Defender (CND) to develop ethical hacking and defensive security skills. Cisco, providing networking expertise through CCNA, CCNP, and CyberOps Associate, essential for managing and securing modern networks. Offensive Security, specializing in PenTesting and red teaming, with certifications like OSCP to master ethical hacking techniques. Cloud Security, including AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure, ensuring professionals can secure cloud environments effectively. Programming and scripting, focusing on Python, Bash, and PowerShell, essential for automation, cybersecurity, and system administration. No matter your skill level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, Hackalys Academy has the right course for you. So why should you choose Hackalys Academy over others? Because we provide high-quality video lessons, hands-on labs and real-world exercises, exam-focused multiple-choice questions (QCM), mock exams and practice tests, expert mentorship and personalized guidance, exclusive Discord community. Ready to take your IT career to the next level? Join Hackalys Academy today and start your journey towards certification success. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for free tutorials and study tips. Enroll in our Udemy courses, linked in the description, for in-depth training, and join our Discord community for coupons and exclusive learning resources. Your success is our mission. Let's build the future of cybersecurity and IT together, one certification at a time.